Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to share a cake recipe. So this is carrot cake, and I'm not going to say the name of the company because this is not a sponsored video, so you can just look it up in the box. But this company cake I have made previously and they came out really awesome. So there's just few things to follow and I'm going to show you those things. Pretty simple, but the cake came out really good. So that's why I decided to make it again and share with you. So this is carrot cake and it's not very sweet, it's really tasty. And when I made it last time, it came out very soft, fluffy, tasty, scrumptious, and just awesome. So I'm going to pour this mix in a pan or a pot or a bowl, whatever you get it. So, and if you just few ingredients and there's few rules to follow to get a perfect cake. So I pour the mix in a bowl, and then I'm going to follow the direction on the package as is to the T. So after pouring the mix, let me look at the package and explain to you what's in the package. And then package asks for the cake mix, one package, and then 3 eggs and 2/3 cup of oil or butter and 1 cup of water. So, and then just mix all of this, and then you have to blend it. And I'm going to do hand mixing and hand blending. So yeah, you can mix it with, put in a mixer or blender, but I'm just going to do it by hand. So add 1 cup of water to the cake mix. I'm going to add just a cup of water to the cake mix. And then we're going to add 2/3 of any oil or butter. So I'm going to add 2/3 of olive oil. You can add any other oil you wish. So, or you can add even butter. That'll make it really nice, smelly. So getting 2/3 cup of oil. And then the recipe asks for egg, 3 eggs. This is a very simple recipe, but you can add some chopped walnut and that'll make it even more tasty. You can add some raisin as well. So I'm just going to add the egg. If you want to add just the white, not the yellow part of the egg, you can do that. Sometimes I do that, add just the white. But today I'm adding all the yellow and the white just to show you. It comes out really tasty and crumbs. I'm gonna have to wash my hand before I do anything, so I'm just gonna quickly wash my hand and then continue with it, or I will not feel good with my egg hand. And then I have to just mix the batter. Now comes the fun part. Hand mix it or put it in the blender until it's smooth and fluffy. And hand mixing is good too. If you want some hand exercise, you can hand mix it. So first go slowly and then we have to go clockwise, anti-clockwise, vigorously to add. So So you want the few tricks. If you want fluffy cake, you need to add a lot of air to the mixture, to the batter. So you need to beat up the batter as plain as that. Yes, you have to go clockwise, anti-clockwise, beat up the batter and fold it in, lot of air bubbles. I might have to take my bangles out and go really wild with this batter, or I have to put it in the blender. So either way, putting in the blender is the thing is, you put in the blender, take out the blender, then wash the blender. So I just go ahead and mix it with pan, and it just works perfectly. I mean, just think of it, people had made cakes years ago without the blender, and it turned out awesome. So now is the another very important part. You have to butter your pan thoroughly, so you get a big chunk of butter, and butter your pan very nicely so you get every corner. And this is very crucial, because if you butter your pan very nicely, thoroughly, then your cake is going to slide out nicely from the pan, because then it's just not going to stick at the bottom. And then you have to slightly flour the pan. Flouring is very important, because when the cake will get cold, it will just easily come out without getting stuck at the bottom. So now I'm going to flour the pan. Take some flour, little bit of flour, and add it to the pan. Just all-purpose flour. Take it and flour the pan. And now I'm going to use my hand to roll it all around everywhere. You have to put the flour so your cake would be really. And now after you pour it in this bowl, you bake it for 30 to 45 minutes. So you need to after you butter and flour your pan, then you need to go with the batter again, add some more air to it, and you transfer the batter to your baking pan, and be sure to preheat your oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour before you decide to make the cake. And then you're going to put inside the oven for 35 to 45 minutes depending on your pan size. Now the way you know it's done is you take a knife and stick it inside, and if the knife comes out clean, then it's done. So here it is after 45 minutes, and it is popped so beautifully, and it's very tasty. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all. So here is my creamy zucchini basil pasta, and it looks amazing and tastes awesome.